What up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Wake Up with Wops. It is a tough Saturday. Bitcoin, crypto, everything just crashing right now. Bitcoin has been ranging in this range since November and all the way till January. It's just been ranging. We actually broke out in the beginning of January, and that's when I dropped that video thinking that we were back. I thought this was going to be the breakout to continue going higher, or maybe just continue ranging. I was not expecting a breakdown, a break of this bottom range right here. Once we started breaking down, look at these candles, pretty strong candles. It's not looking good. It looks like it's going to continue going lower. If you see here, it's just a big bear flag. You got that pull here just going straight down. The flag is the consolidation and it's breaking down of that, so it's not looking good. Maybe if we see a reversal and a remount here, you could probably long the bottom of the range to maybe sell the top of the range. So right now it's just traders are just trading a range, but it looks like it might even go lower. If you've been following the channel, I've had this level marked on the weekly chart for a while now. I even dropped a Bitcoin prediction video. Go check that out to see how pretty much right it's been. When we started losing that bull market level, it started looking like a head and shoulders pattern. So this is the first shoulder here, then you have the head, and this is the second shoulder. We talked about this forming, and it looks like that's what's happening right now. The next level is this bearish level, which is around 68,000, 70,000, and it could even go lower to maybe 65K or the 60,000. Our 200 week moving average sits right there at 57,000. So maybe even a test of that could be possible. We're looking like it is very much a bear market. But the bottom is soon. We are already about, I think, 50% down from all time highs. 38% from all time highs. So we could go a little bit more. We probably have another 20% downfall, but then that will be the time to buy, especially for my long term investors. Buying Bitcoin at 60, 70K, I think that is going to be a very, very good risk to reward. Next, let's look at USDT dominance. When this is ripping, that means the market is dumping. Everybody's selling and going straight to stables. You can see here, this was that October 10th liquidation crash. And ever since then, the crypto sentiment has just been in the gutter. Just look at that ripping. We had this breakdown here and we thought we were back, and then now just ripping higher. It's breaking out of this level. So just looking at technical analysis on the USDT dominance, it looks like it's pretty bullish and it's going to continue going higher, which is not good for our crypto bags. Let's look at Solana. We got stopped out of Solana on this trade. We wanted to anticipate the breakout here, so we entered right where this trend line was, and you can look, just broke down, and then we got a stop loss around here, around 130s is when I got stopped out. And thankfully we have stop losses, because if not, we're at 105, and it looks like Solana is going to hit that double digits. I wouldn't be surprised if we see $90, $80 Solana soon, but that's going to be a good time to just empty your bag, buy some for the long term, especially if you have a 9 to 5. Just buy some and go to work. Work for a couple years, you're going to be up on that Solana trade, I promise you. Same with Ethereum. My buy for Ethereum is probably sub 2000. If we see 1800 or lower on Ethereum, I think that is going to be a very good buying opportunity. Um, let's go over hype, because it's actually been showing relative strength. Look at these 3 days it had recent. It was about a good 30% move, I believe. Oh, more than that. Look, it went up 50% in 3 days, but now it's pulling back right to the 9 EMA. This actually looks like the best coin right now. So if you're going to buy crypto coins, I'll probably buy Hyperliquid, just because it's showing relative strength compared to coins like Ethereum that is below that 200-day moving average, that red line here. And then if we just keep going down, you can see all these coins are below the 200-day moving average. Hype is also below the 200-day moving average, but it looks like it's going to test that level around 38. So you could probably hit a trade right here from 27 to 38. As long as the moving averages continue curling up and showing signs of support, then I think hype is probably just the best coin to buy right now. Other than that, crypto's in the gutter. I was fooled. I was wrong. We're going to continue watching crypto. Eventually, it's going to be a very good risk to reward spot. And I think a lot of millionaires could be made. Well, that's it, guys. Just a quick overview on the crypto market. Looks like we're going to zero, but hey, when you buy the fear is when you're going to get that reward, especially if you're a long term holder. Peace.